Hello friends, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm back with another thought-provoking video on lack of motivation to do anything. Before I start, I want you to picture this. The richest man in the world, Elon Musk, gets up in the morning and tells himself, I don't feel like doing anything today. And also picture Mr. Ambani getting up in the morning and repeating to himself the same thought. But do they stop? No. They challenge themselves and overcome this feeling. How do they do it? Well, at some point, everyone feels all of these things. The truth is, everyone goes through these periods where they have no motivation to do anything. In fact, sometimes we can become so unmotivated that we don't even want to put forth the energy to make a change. This usually happens during times when everything has become so monotonous that life seems pretty bleak and boring, isn't it? It happens. But whenever this feeling happened, it also happened to me in the past, what did I do? I made few small changes, nothing drastic, and I regained inspiration and a sense of purpose. This is my life's experience. But it is important to know and be aware of the duration of the negative state. If it continues for quite some time and one has not taken any action to change the situation, then it could be a sign of depression, which is different from being in a motivational slump. Then it is best to talk to a trained mental health professional. But when you know it is temporary and you just need to shake things up a bit, then these ways, which I am going to share now, will help you to overcome this lack of motivation. So before I start, a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel. I shall be surely encouraged. Now, coming back, the first technique I'm going to share is don't give words to your negative thoughts. Like, when we say how boring my job is, or there is nothing ever exciting happening during the weekends. When you put such negative statements out into the universe, then they become a prophecy. ये एक भविष्यवाणी बन जाती है. Replace it with something positive. For example, you can say, yes, today is a wonderful day. This today is going to be a very productive day for at work. So when you say like this, you're sending these vibrations in the universe. And definitely you get what you want. Another thing is just keep one goal at a time. Whenever we try to get too many things squeezed in a day, it completely deteriorates the spirit and motivation, and you can't maintain the energy and focus. So always choose one goal and give your full focus. Another technique, very important to follow, is always change your routine. Try to add new experiences to your day. For example, if someone invites you to do something, say yes, you're ready for it, no matter what it is. Or you can also sign up for a class of something of your choice that will keep you motivated to learn something new. Even communicating with the same people day in and day out, eating the same food, doing the same work can damage your inspiration. So gather new experiences to find more meaning in your life. Another technique I wish to share with you is spend some time outside. This is a very important thing to do. Friends, studies have shown that people who spend time in natural environment have a decreased chances of developing mental illnesses. So go for a walk outside and increase your mental activity. So changing your physical space when you have no motivation can be inspiring. Another activity which I often speak about is to get some exercise. Do 30 minutes of exercise daily. You can do aerobics, you can do yoga, or when you do this, it can always reduce the feelings of lack of motivation in you. Next technique, again, very important to follow is meet up your friends. Today human interaction has become so less because of all this social media. It is important today to feel socially connected in today's society, which is an isolating society. When you have these bonds, when you share bonds with others, it will make you feel happier, you will feel less stressed, and you will be more confident. Another thing which is so interesting and different to do is you must create a vision board. Vision board which is looking towards the future. Suppose I give you an example, you are wishing for a Mercedes car for yourself. So what will you do? Make a small little vision board with a beautiful Mercedes car on it and visualize that car that you're driving. Every day when you see that same things, but remember that the whatever vision you're having should be practical for you. It should not be just dreaming in air, not like that. So when you dream of something, you should be able to have that emotion of happiness in you, and you should be able to see that vision getting completed. So when you do this visual representation will make you feel so happy and motivated to achieve your goal. Another technique you can follow is you can help someone. Volunteer your time to a local organization. If you can't do that, at least forgive someone who has wronged you. Let go of expectations from others. This way, you are motivated to live a life of purpose. You are not getting distracted by other things. You are more focused on your own work. One more thing which I did was I used to read autobiographies. If you read those inspiring autobiographies, it definitely motivates you, and you also want to reach the goal you have set for yourself. The best and my favorite autobiography is by APJ Abdul Kalam, My Journey. It really shows how you can fulfill your vision, your dreams with your actions. Now, another thing you can do is you can have positive people around you. Always have positive people around you. Their attitude is very contagious. You can also learn a new skill and master it. It will help you to enjoy the process of whatever you're doing. So, friends, doing things to change your routine or adding new interests can give you inspiration and a sense of purpose. It will totally transform your living. Hope you have enjoyed this video and have already planned in your mind new things you have decided to do to make your life interesting. For more insightful videos, you can log on to my channel at Sandy's Reiki Care to know the way of living a holistic life. So thank you and bye for now.